Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to turn off comments on Facebook profile picture. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Facebook application. At the home page of your Facebook, you need to tap on three horizontal line on right side of your screen. Now here you need to tap on your profile name. To let you know, there is no direct options to turn off comments on your Facebook profile. Here you can make certain changes on it. For that, you need to tap on your profile picture. Then you tap on view profile picture. Here you need to tap on three dotted line on top right of your screen. There you can see the option of edit privacy. You tap on it. Who can see your post? Here you tap on see more. Then you tap on only me option. With that, no one will be able to comment on your profile picture, but they will be able to view your profile picture. This is only the way you can turn off comments on your Facebook profile picture. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to turn off comments on Facebook profile picture. Thank you.